Breaking news! For the first time ever, you can now use your HeyGen avatars with the power of Veo 3.1. And HeyGen brings identity consistency to every Veo 3.1 generation, keeping your avatar's voice and appearance perfectly aligned. You can create unlimited looks of your avatar in any outfit, background, or pose, all true to the same identity. I can be in a scene like this or be in an outfit like this and still be me and sound like me. HeyGen has added 3 new dimensions of consistency to Veo 3.1. First, through voice consistency. Click on Veo 3.1 Avatar Video and start with an avatar. Choose one you already have or create a new one, as easy as adding a photo. Next, click on Add Prompt. Write your prompt or script and choose your voice. HeyGen isolates, enhances, and blends your real tone into Veo 3.1's cinematic motion. The result? Your avatar moving, sounding, and performing exactly like you, with more dynamic scenes. Next, keep consistency across your videos. Once you generate with Veo 3.1, your avatar is ready for repeat use, allowing you to create unlimited videos with consistent voice and appearance. Finally, we've added multi-scene generations. You can create Veo 3.1 generations up to 60 seconds long with character consistency and seamless transitions between scenes. This is what happens when the best video generator in tech gets powered by the best avatar company in the world. Together, HeyGen and Veo 3.1 transform one-time creations
into lasting, consistent avatars that grow real connection.
Don't just make a scene, build a story.
Go to heygen.com and try it for yourself. We can't wait to see what you create.